It's a little walking frame, I think. Yep. Tell you what's big, that, innit? Sure, like. Well, I got that bath, as you can see, and on my way back found 2 radiators, so happy with that. So last night, Irene rings me from work at 10 o'clock at night. Says she's seen a radiator and a stove by the side of the road. So I went out last night, picked the radiator up because it was still there. If I'd have left it till this morning, probably would have been gone. This stove top, and then on the way back, got that chair, this big frame, and all this wire. On this light, this was all in a skip. You know when you nearly drive past something and I was like, oh, what's that? And it's all like twin and eight, so I was happy with that. Nice little load of wire, well worth stripping. So I'll process that in a minute. And well, I'll tidy it up, get that radiator out, empty the van. I was hoping to do an aluminium run today. First things first, bit of admin, get rid of this, get it in the car, and get it down the tip. So first things first, feel like Irene's little fizz bomb with all the bits. So we'll start off with the plastic because they're normally out last. It's been raining this morning, everything's a bit wet. Won't quite work that way. Has to go on an angle there. That's wood. Not sure if that's got wood or plastic in it. This is a cracking little car, you know. It's a Suzuki Alto. It just runs forever. Costs about £20 a year road tax. It's got a 1.1 or a 1.0 engine in it. You fill it up with a full tank for about 40 odd quid. Does about 400 mile. It's petrol like, but it just runs forever. And she wants to get rid of it, and I'm like, what for? Just keep it. It's done 90 odd thousand miles and it's still great. It's a boss little car. But when the seats are up, the boot's tiny. It's only big enough for Elon Musk's wallet. It's dead small. That's the only thing that lets it down really, is the boot's only comes to like here, so it's only tiny. So you want to go out for the day and tend to take the van because you can get more in it. Plastic or wood. Right. Job done. One job done. Oh. Ah, no way. Stuff fell down. Don't tell me. Don't really want to take all that back out. Oh, bum 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 bum. Dilemmas. What to do? Oh, might have to get the saws or chop it there. It's only plastic, like. Don't really want to take all that back out. Yeah, that might work. Yeah, that'll do. Get this bin for the wire. Put the wire in here temporary, I think. Oh, down in the heavy pile. this seat can go. Let's see. See if this fits. Die look brassy looking, but steel. It's all steel. Yeah. One more thing gone. Right. There's a little bit of wire in there. I haven't got the little snips out with me, so I'll leave that in for now and take the ballast as well. Excuse me. Right, that back before you lose it. Yeah, see, so some of it was still on the roll, so I mean, can't grumble with that. I'll just throw it in that for now, it's empty, sort it out. Oh, didn't think that was going to happen. I haven't even got my safety glasses on. Oh. I'll just pull out of there. Snip them off, it might be easier for it to pull out. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Some of it's quite heavy gauge. Steel. Yeah, you can feel it when you're cutting through that, and it's heavy. As you can see, it's a big tangled mess, and it came up the skip like this. And you know, when you're trying to be quiet at like gone 10 o'clock at night, and it's outside someone's front of the house, and you don't want to disturb everyone. Piece of wood off. Ah, it's not coming. I'm cutting them up when I'm putting them in the bin, because they're more manageable through the wire stripper when they're shorter, rather than trying that big long lengths of cable just meandering everywhere. So when it comes to do it, it'll save me having to cut it down. But yeah, I was hoping to get that rubbish down to the tip and do an aluminium run later on this afternoon. So I'll probably do this, have a bite to eat and a brew, and go down the tip, come back and then try and process some aluminium. We'll see, I'll see which way around I'm going to do it. I think there's bits of brass in them, isn't there? But I don't know if I want to take it apart. Might have a look. I'll put them with that one though. Nearly there with the wire. See that? I mean, holding that in your hand feels like you're holding lead. That's how heavy it is. I don't know if you can see the gauge of it. It's worth stripping nonetheless. Let's see if we can get this off. There we are. It's coming. That's what I'm talking about. Get out. Any more? That's got 3 little strands in, but they're all solid core. You can tell the way it's through, it just keeps its shape. Right, this monstrosity was a nightmare to get in last night. Oh. See if I can take it apart. Allen key. I'll fit through that. Yep. Let's try this one. Now we're getting somewhere. You never know, it's just got aluminium hobs on them. I haven't got the pincers to out with me to pop that off. I only brought minimal tools out with me because I thought, well, I haven't got much to do. You got to take a few screws out of things and fix the wire. Just that the way they're designed, these snips, they're not designed for like going together, you know, like a pair of scissors. Nearly out then. quite heavy, that, you know. Don't think it's thick enough to go in as heavy, but it is quite weighty. Let's see if we can just snap these now. Tell you what, there's a fair bit of weight in them, but it's only thin metal, but it's got a little bit of weight to it. So, stand it here for now. What else? Any more bits? I don't think these will just come off forwards, will they? You've got to take the back of the thing off, haven't you? Back of the hob. Not sure, to be honest. Let's see. You gotta take them off from there. The screws must be stainless, are they? I don't know, some of them are. They're not getting picked up. How mad's that? Them 3 screws off. Yeah, the 4 screws off these. Non-magnetic yet, the others are. Ah, there's a bit there, must have lost that. That's the result. Oh yeah, you know what it is? It's that one, because I replaced it with this one, which was the same size as it. Oh, cool. You can go in there then. This glass top's trying to come off. Oh yeah. In metal? Oh yeah. In metal. So are they. What's stopping that coming off? Oh, it's just stuck. Probably grime. Isn't it? It's all that is, glass. Go to tip. Oh. Plastics. Yeah. I don't think we're about to breaking this down just yet. Just leave it to one side for now. But it's a bit on it. We've got I don't know if the pull of the magnet is coming through from this or this. Just got a slight. No, it's got nothing. I think it's my imagination. So, bit of valley on it. That's steel. That bit. Bit of brass. Oh yeah, break that down another time. Leave film. I've got time to mess around at the minute. Right. Oh, I need a smaller spanner for that. surprised it's full of water. This freaking laser sun. No, doesn't look like. It's a double radiator like, but on the are heavy. But to get that off I need a smaller spanner, and that won't get, the jaws are too wide, so need a narrower one. There's a little bit of water, not a lot though. Yeah, same with that, so you need a smaller spanner for that. This is not too bad, I can get this one I think. They're only little bits of brass, but they add up, don't they? You know. The times when you get to the scrapyard and the scrapping lads will know themselves, you get there and the amount of stuff you see, and it's still got the brass on, the copper on, and you think, why has someone just chucked that away with everything on it? I ain't giving the scrapyards anything, to be fair, for free. Oh. Yeah. Wondering where to stand this now. Let's see if I can. Oh, that's heavy. Do alright there for now. Might have a look at breaking that down later as well when I'm taking the alley. Some of it's got steel on, that's steel. But rest of it's not. Right. Nice brass top. The ends of that steel, that's not. That looks like some kind of like pod metal. It's not brass, I don't think. That might be stainless, but they're definitely not. And a bit of copper, a bit of brass. All these bits were with the radiator and the hob. Steel. All steel. Yeah. There's the bin man. Yeah. Quite heavy them. I think that I'm not sure if the drawer fronts or something. Actually, I'm not actually sure what they're off. Ooh. Right, so I'm going to get a bite to eat and then take all that rubbish down the tip. So probably the next time we see each other I'll be loading the van with the aluminium. So go on, I'll see you in a bit.